Hello portable power people, I know you're excited about getting off grid, and today I got an amazing video that's going to help you do just that. Not only do we have a portable power station to unbox and show off, but also this one has LFP batteries and solar panels built right in. Technology is moving very quickly these days and it's easy to be left behind. I'll do the research so you don't have to. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where we review, unbox, and test out the newest and most innovative technology to help you get the best out of your adventures. I spent over 10 years as an industrial environmental inspector, as well as the owner of a construction company that specializes in residential and commercial construction projects. Plus, I've driven straight across country, days straight, and know what it's like to be on the road in off-grid situations. Now, I'm happy to share what I've learned and my experiences with you. Today's video sponsor is Browey. They make some pretty unique portable power stations. They offer to send over their new all-in-one portable power station / inverter / solar panel. The kit includes AC home charger, the car charger, and adapters. Plenty of adapters, as well as a zipper bag to carry it all. You'll also find paperwork, manual, and a copy of their German IF Design Innovation Award they received back in 2022. A little brag there, but pretty impressive. This new innovative design incorporates lithium iron phosphate batteries, has a capacity of 614 watt-hours, so it weighs only 23 pounds. It can handle charging up to 10 amps or about 120 watts, either through AC charging, DC charging for solar, or car charging. The DC charger incorporates a solar charger, and you can connect up to 10 amps to this for solar charging. Since these are LFP batteries, this can run in extra low and extra high temperatures, but efficiency can be affected like all LFP batteries. In addition, this portable power station has built-in solar panels that work pretty well. Even on a cloudy day inside my home in ambient light, it was getting 30% capacity out of them. Not too bad given the conditions. This power station was packed really well, so don't worry about when it's in shipping, and it's pretty easy to get back together if you want to pack it back up. Immediately I noticed this is built really well too once I got it out of the package. It's got 2 USB ports, 1 USB-C fast charging slot. There's also a 120 watt DC output through car charger port. Also, you find the AC outlet plug. This can output to 600 watts continuous, 1200 watts surge. You can plug in normal household plug-in devices into this. A lot of people have tested these with great results, and I found the same thing. And I gotta say, it was really crazy to see the solar panel start to charge the unit right inside my home. Later in the video, I'll take it outside to see you get similar results on a cloudy day. I have some pretty sensitive lighting and filming equipment, and I was able to plug my entire production team setup into one power station with no issues. The only thing I may criticize here is that since it is a larger capacity station, another AC plug wouldn't be a bad idea. I just used a high-rated extension cord, power strip to plug in multiple devices. Using a power station for my lighting and equipment lets me take my production studio basically anywhere in the world I want. Now with the new LFP batteries, now I don't even have to worry about temperature. This power station weighs about 23 pounds, so it isn't feather light, but also it's easily manageable. The fact that it's 614 watt-hours really makes it worth carrying around. It isn't rated for waterproof, but the manual does say it has some ability to resist water damage, not to expose it purposely to water environments. All the ports seem to work just fine, and it was kind of cool having it pulling power from the sun through the window while I was charging 2 phones with extra power to charge his battery at the same time. Solar panel is protected with its fold-out design, about 30 watts total, so this could charge about 1/6 of this portable power station on average during a day. Generally, a solar array will give you approximately 3 times the amount of watts to your battery in the form of watt-hours. So if you have a 100 watt solar panel, on average, it will give you about 300 watt-hours of usable power each day. This can vary greatly depending on how you place your array, latitude, how you wire your array, and also inverter charger power consumption, and among some other variables. So keep that in mind. Overall, my first impressions towards this portable power station are really good with its design and features. Solar panel is so cool. It's like having a nice little trickle charger built right in. Price is $595 right now. It's a good time to pick it up too, because I noticed they got a $150 discount coupon going on at the moment. You can find links and learn more about this portable power station in the description or comments of this video. You can help support my channel too if you use the links, which I truly do appreciate very much. Please consider subscribing for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click the bell icon so that when I make new videos, you get the news before you end up spending your money on something you regret.